guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was playing with some new product that I hauled several weeks or maybe a month ago. It's these waffle flower shaker covers, and I know other companies and brands make them as well. And they come in different shapes and sizes. I have a circle one, I have a square one I haven't used yet. But I have been using, where is it? These are the 4 by 5¼ inch rectangles, and it's a 5-pack. And I used a Spellbinders rectangle to like cut out for A2, I think it's A2 card. But my paper is 5¼ inches tall by 4 inches wide, exactly. And I just, put this on the frame of my little 8.5 by 11 paper. I cut it in half and I get 2 cards from it. So I just like when it has like a little bit of the pink showing and stuff. But I was like, you know what? Let me make shakers with these things, and they are just so cute. So if you guys don't like using foam and die cutting stuff like that, these are a great alternative. Obviously these are rectangles for like cards and stuff, but like I said, you could do circle ones and make like circle rosettes and circle embellishments if you wanted, because they do sell smaller ones. But look how cute these are. So I am using the new scrapbook.com. This is the Mary pattern collection. Pinks, mints, reds, so cute. Here's the present sheet. And then all of the mixes are from Magical Mixery store on Etsy. I will have that link down below. So the first one is the little Christmas trees and peppermint swirls. I didn't put a lot in this one because this was my first one. And it still looks good, but I would add more. And I did with the next one. As you can see, like the little mountain at the bottom. This one's like a gingerbread one. And then I added some of the red from her shop. So this has like little stars and snowflakes, like the snowmen standing in the snow. And then this one right here, so cute. So this is Frosty Peppermint. It's got the little frosty snowmen in there because the paper was kind of plain. So I was like, let me do the big chunk sequins in this one. And it does have a little bit of poof in depth to it, which I like. And they're freely moving around in there and stuff with no foam. So very cute. So I'm just gonna basically assemble one with you. And for this one, I am going to use Gingerbread House 23. It's got like all the candy canes and stuff from her shop. And this is how I do it. I don't know how other people assemble these or if there's a proper way, but I'm just doing what I do. So there's the side that says remove protective film. That's the side where I peel back on. I don't think there's not one on the front. And you kind of just scratch at it. So once you peel back, you can touch the tabs because those tabs are going to be covered by tape. So if you get fingerprints and stuff on them, I try not to touch the centerpiece. And then the sequin mix, make sure it's already mixed and stuff before you do all this. So I kind of just spread it out like enough that I know, not that the card's ever going to be laying flat with all these sequins laying flat like this, but it's nice to see how much you're adding. So I kind of cover the card somewhat. What I kind of did for all of them was I figured that this is a good amount is when it's lightly covered. And I'm using my Scotch ATG gun. I'm sure you could do like an anti-static thing, but I didn't do all that because it does leave a film. So when you run your gun or you're doing like double-sided red tape, I'd stick to the edge of this part more so that it sticks to your paper. As you can see, it's tapered in the corners. So once I have that first piece, pick your pattern paper, what side you want. I'm going to definitely do the candy cane. And it just fits. Just lay it on the sequins. Make sure it's in the little, you'll see like that it's in its own frame. And then bend this piece up like so. And then get your bone folder and really give it a good press on the tape. I don't know if this is permanent ATG because there's different refills. I don't know. I have clearance stuff. So it could be permanent, semi-permanent. I'm not sure. And then I just keep it, hold the paper down so the sequins aren't going all up over the place. Again, run it across the edge. Get your little bone folder towards the edge. Easy. It's already scored, so you know you're not going to be scoring crooked if you did this yourself with acetate. I mean, you could easily make these yourself. There's another brand, I forget who, but these thingies already have the tape on it. I'm pretty sure that's what it was, like tape liner already run for you. I'm sure they're more money that way. Maybe it was AliExpress. I don't remember. Okay, but again, and my little secret out there. You are done. Look how cute. So when you are using a sequin mix with little clay bits, some of them get stuck up, you know, they're vertical, and you kind of just got to like poke at them and get them to lay flat. So cute little gingerbread. And then you just get your paper, and for the tape runner, again, I'm going to stick to this outside, which is the wider part of that plastic, all the way from top to bottom on all 4 corners. I go down the middle this way and then the middle this way. You're basically making a present shape or window shape with your tape. And then I just line it up so there's just enough pink. Start with the top, kind of eyeball it. Like so. Okay, and gently push for now. And then I flip it around on the inside and go like this. Because the minute you start rubbing like this really hard on the acetate, it kind of leaves these smear scratch marks per se. So I just like to do it on the inside of the paper so it doesn't leave dents and dings into the plastic. Go over where you think you put tape. And look at how cute this card is. And I didn't even add words or any embellishments yet. So yeah, super quick, easy, very professional looking. I know that you can get these acetate things and stick them. I think you could basically, you could run it where the plastic runs under the face of your card. And this is more, but you would have to glue this on with the card while you're taping it. So you could definitely do that as well. But I do like that border of the color peeping out. All right, you guys. Okay, guys, real quick. So I did run through the scrapbook.com. It's this set with the frame. And I went and looked at like the examples. And I realized that people just re-paper piece the pieces back in there. And that's why it looks like it has a shadowing piece. And I just wasn't paying attention. So I do like this. And I did, so I cut this out in red and then a white glitter foam. It's definitely a little harder with foam because you got to try to, you know, reshape the foam. So I laid the foam down first, which is the outer shadow piece. And then I kind of had I just put it on as best as I could. And then I had to shape it once I started placing the red letters in. But if you did just this, there's no warping of the letters and you would just line paper up on paper. But I do love the way that these turned out. It's not fully dry, so I'm going to go through back on the acetate and get off the like glue smudges and stuff that I was doing trying to paper piece. So here is Jolly, Ho Ho Ho, and here's the Merry. These just look so fun. Easy, cute Christmas card set or something. And then you can use the negative space and do the negative space of these guys. Oh, that's what I could do. Because I'm like, you know what? I don't have a third one. Should I do Merry? Look how cute. Or which one's the cutest? Ho Ho Ho? I like Ho 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 Ho. Okay, now I'm done. Bye, guys.